This is just a better look at the ceiling and how it came out. Hey you guys, it's Denise at myluxuryfirst.com, and today I just want to show you a quick painting idea for any of the rooms that you have at your home. As you can see, before I had the color like a dark gray and a light gray. Then I had stuff in the corner, so I didn't even bother painting that area. So today we're gonna go ahead and paint this part of the wall pink. It's just only the back wall, and we're also gonna paint just a little bit of the ceiling. So as you can see, I have my painter's tape ready, going all the way around the perimeter of the wall. And then I have marked off a spot at the top of the ceiling that is also going to be painted. So the color that I chose to do just the back wall is going to be Heart's Desire. And I got this at Home Depot. It's the Glidden Premium brand, and it's the high gloss. I'll show you guys how it looks after. So this is going to be before. And this is a small room, so it's really not that much to paint, especially since the window is there. But then again, we are going to be painting a little bit of the wall. So I also think I'm going to do a color block over here, since my TV is going to be in this corner, and I moved a little dresser thing over. And then I seen that I never finished this wall, so I better do some color blocking. I'm thinking about just doing that. Straight. So that just means that the top is still going to be, this top is going to still be gray, but then I'm going to have this all pink. Really, I don't have to put tape over here. I could just go ahead and just paint whatever craziness and then just put this just right back up against it. So I just need to put tape at the bottom. There it goes. And stir it around. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. So kept that wall gray and painted this wall and just a little bit of the ceiling the Heart's Desired pink, and also kept this portion of the wall gray just as a color block. I ended up having enough paint for this whole area. And this is how it looks, you guys. How do you guys think it came out? Also, just wanted to let you guys know about this paint. So this is the high gloss, and it's just a quart. And at Home Depot, they have this high gloss paint. It's just a quart, and it's about $15, but they won't let you get a gallon of it. So basically, they don't sell it in a gallon. So if you need a lot of the high gloss paint in this color for sure, then you will be paying $15 per can. So if I was to do this whole room, then I would have really been paying out of the pocket. But I only did a little bit of this wall, not even the whole wall, because the whole wall actually goes, you know, over there to the end. And so I did a little bit of the wall right here. This whole wall, which really isn't even a whole wall because the window is there, and just a little bit of the ceiling, and that took 1.5 quarts. So you can probably color match with a different brand and get a whole gallon. If you have a lot of area to cover, I suggest asking first, like, you know, if you can get a gallon, because then it ends up costing more. So as you can see, I just stopped right here. And that's it. This is a design or something that I came up with, just something different. This is just a better look at the ceiling and how it came out. This is how it looks when I look up. It's just a color block on the ceiling. And I still have a lot of work to do. So if you like this video, or if you like this idea, or if you've done something like this, go ahead and comment, and also leave a thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.